So there we are. All I got to do is do up however many snaps I want to do on the side. So you see how quick I can go from hammock mode to poncho. I mean, it's so simple, it's easy. Here's the end of my poncho right here. One end of it. So you just come down in here, put that over your thumb or finger, however you want to do it. Take the other end, reach down there, just grab that fabric, it'll unsnap the snap. Okay. Okay, now I've got both ends in my finger here. Pull on it. I've now gathered this end right here, you see. It's a gathered in hammock. I'm ready to go. I can hang it in the tree right now. Okay, we also have, now you can use whatever you want to hang in a tree. If you already have some hammock gear and you already have a suspension that hangs into the tree, whether it's a tree strap, an adjustable tree strap, whether it's a whoopee sling, whatever it is, long as it's got some kind of an eye on the end or something so you can connect it, which they all do. As far as I know, I don't know any that don't. I mean, so you can just connect it to your quick connect no matter what you got, really. This is called a shuttle sling, and we make this thing, and we find that it's a very nice way to go. So it's got a long cord here that connects to the tree, and it's got an eye on its end right there. So the other part of the shuttle sling is the shuttle. So the shuttle part is this piece right here. This piece will slide. So you see I'm pulling. So that long piece slides through the shuttle. So that's why we call it a shuttle. It shuttles back and forth on the long piece of cord. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the eye that's on one end, wrap it around the tree. Now then I just put the other end through that. Now you see at the end of that there's the shuttle coming up through there. So now...
Okay, I found this on the web for at the end of that there is the shuttle coming up today. Check it out.
That's ridiculous. Anyway, that was my iPhone trying to help me. Alright, I've got a shuttle sling right here connected to the tree in front of me. The shuttle has an eye on it. My quick connect has two eyes coming out of it. So I put both of, you can do it like you could go this one eye up through the two, or you can go the two up through the one, doesn't really matter. As long as you go in there, and then you put your toggle, whatever you're going to use, whether you have a toggle, whether you're using a stick or whatever you're using, you could put a carabiner in there to connect them. However you're doing it, just put it in there and connect them. That's all we care about. Take a little slack up on here. So I'm going to pull a little on the static line, the long cord. Okay, now let's go over to the other tree. Hook it. See how hard that was? That was rough. I mean, that's all there is to it. See, I can just work this thing over here. This other tree right here. Alright, I already know that my shuttle can go up towards the tree a good bit. I already know that, so might as well move it up there a little to start with. Okay, so here I have two loops. Those are my quick connect coming out of my poncho. Here's one loop coming from the shuttle sling. Now I can put one loop through the two, or I can put the two loops from the quick connect through the shuttle sling. Doesn't matter which way you do it, just do it. Okay, then we just let everything snug up right there. All I got to do is adjust my shuttle sling up a little to tighten up my hammock. Very simple to do. I mean, easy. Alright, so for me that's lower than I want to be. So I just grab the one end, the long end of the cord in one hand, grab the shuttle with the other and pull. And I like to be where I'm about chair seat high when I sit in my hammock. So right here is about perfect for me. That's how I like it. Alright, let me show you tightening and loosening the shuttle sling. So if I reach clear up to the far end here and slide it, the hammock goes down. If I grab onto the long end, this is the end of the cord that's going around the tree. If I hold on to it, grab the shuttle sling where the two come together, right there in that fork, right there in the Y. I just hook it with my finger and pull. It'll raise the hammock up, it'll tighten it. Then up here on this end, I just pull the slack at it with that little tail right there. That's all there is to it. It's as simple as it can be. That, like, I can pull on it all I want. It's not going anywhere. If you look at, this is the end opposite on the shuttle, opposite where the eye is. This end just has a little tail on here, okay? It's also got a little rubber O-ring on it. It might be orange like this, or it might be black, doesn't matter. Now you see that the cord coming from the tree goes inside of the shuttle sling, and then it comes out of the shuttle right there. Since this is a braided, hollow braided rope, if I squish it like, see, I squished it like that, see it's fatter, it'll slide easily either direction. If I stretch that out, and since we've got tension on it from our hammock, from that eye on this end connected to the hammock, pulls tight on that, that bites down and it will not move. Okay? This little O-ring up here is just to make sure there's just a little bit of tension on this top end. Occasionally can run into a problem where a branch on a tree might rub on that, and if that wasn't there, it might start loosening it a little bit and then your hammock will sink. So that's what that's for. Now if you need it to bite down harder, this end right here is harder and fatter, so you can actually slide that O-ring. It'll just slide. If you slide it up onto there, that grips it really tight. And you know, if you ever need that, you can always do it. If you have it right here in between the two, that's the lightest tension. And typically that's all you need. But you can adjust it down to here, up to here. So that's lowest, medium, and high. All right, now I'm going to show you the effect on the hammock of when I slide the shuttle sling. So when I tighten it up, watch it how it goes. Look at that. I could have it so I got to climb up into it if I want. But hey, so that's too high. I just let it slide down. It'll slide down just on its own wherever I want it to be. I just pull that little tail to lock it. And now we're in position. That's all there is to it. Down, up, wherever you want it to be, somewhere in between, wherever you stop it, that's where it's locked in at. Now the shuttle sling and the quick connect combined with our poncho in hammock mode makes this just a beautiful, beautiful little setup. So easy to adjust, to set up, to take down. I mean, it's just crazy. It's crazy good. A lot of people say they love it, it's comfortable, and they like carrying one piece of gear that can do several different things. And actually do them pretty well. So, oh, retrofit. We do have a retrofit kit, and we're trying to get them all ready. And I just didn't want to really release it till we're kind of ready to go on it. Although some people have already got some, and some people have some on the way. We will shortly, should be this week, we'll have them. And I'll post up a video on using the retrofit kit. Alright, so if I want to take this down, I just pull the toggle out. Disconnected. Now all I got to do is put the cord into the sleeve and I'm done. Let me show you that. So this is the way I like to do it. Just take an eye, the eye that's on that cord on that side. Just open it up a little till you can see the snap right there. Open that eye up, put it over the snap. It doesn't take this long, but I'm explaining it to you. Okay, that's connected. Come to the other side, do the same thing. Hook it over the snap, snap it in place. Now I'll step back so you can see this. So now, oh, I went around the tie-out tab. All right, there we go. All right. So as you pull that up, the cord is now inside, stowed away. Now it can be used like a tarp or a poncho. So really now at this point, it's ready to use as a poncho if you want. So there we are. All I got to do is do up however many snaps I want to do on the side. On the sides, like I don't always do them all up, depends on my conditions. But, so you see how quick I can go from hammock mode to poncho. I mean, it's so simple, it's easy.